In a stunning development, Prime Minister Keir Starmer has been arrested amid a major political scandal that threatens to shake the core of both the Labour Party and British democracy itself. Labour MPs have presented damning evidence connecting Starmer to the embezzlement of public funds. As the investigation unfolds, the nation is left in disbelief. Stay with us as we delve into one of the most explosive stories in UK politics today. Before we dive in, we ask for a quick favour. If you're enjoying this content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Over 98% of our viewers watch without subscribing. It's free and helps us continue bringing you the news that matters. Now, let's get into it. This scandal began with what appeared to be a victorious moment for Starmer. At the Scottish Labour conference, he boldly announced that his government had secured $200 million to save Scotland's only oil refinery, the Grangemouth plant. With cameras rolling and workers clinging to hope, Starmer delivered his promise with unwavering confidence. For those facing job losses, it wasn't just a political speech, it was a lifeline. But cracks quickly appeared in the story. Investigative journalists and opposition figures began digging into the claim, only to find no trace of any official documentation supporting the $200 million allocation. No Treasury report mentioned such a fund, and as scrutiny grew, it became evident that Starmer had made false assurances. Even more damning, the National Wealth Fund Starmer cited doesn't operate as he claimed. Government procedures require specific approval for funding projects like Grangemouth. Yet no such procedures had been followed. The promised funds simply didn't exist. As evidence of deception mounted, members of Starmer's own party turned against him. Labour MPs, fearing the fallout, testified in court, revealing internal discussions that confirmed the truth. Starmer had knowingly misled Parliament and the public. His lies delivered under oath amounted to perjury, one of the most serious offences a sitting Prime Minister can commit. With Starmer now facing legal consequences, the Labour Party is in turmoil, and the future of the UK government hangs in the balance. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the truth behind this unprecedented scandal. The $200 million that Starmer had promised never existed. What started as a political controversy has now snowballed into a full-blown legal crisis. A lawsuit was filed demanding proof of the fund's existence, and the case soon made its way to court. In a dramatic legal showdown, Starmer was given a chance to clarify his statements. But instead of coming clean, he doubled down on his false claims. The consequences were swift and severe. Starmer now faces an investigation for perjury, a criminal offence with serious legal ramifications. What was initially seen as a political blunder had escalated into a career-threatening scandal. Inside Parliament, chaos erupted. Even Labour allies began distancing themselves. If Boris Johnson had to resign for misleading Parliament, why should Starmer be treated any differently? Conservative MPs seized the opportunity to attack, while Labour MPs quietly questioned whether their leader could survive the mounting pressure. Outside Westminster, the backlash was equally intense. Protests erupted outside Labour offices, with demonstrators demanding accountability. Social media exploded with hashtags like Duo Sanjay Starmer and Cast Grangemouth Scandal. Then came the bombshell revelation. Leaked government emails and meeting transcripts showed that Starmer and his closest aides knew all along that the $200 million didn't exist. Senior officials had repeatedly warned that the promise was legally impossible, yet Starmer pushed forward, aware it was a lie. This was no longer about a broken promise, it was a deliberate deception. As Labour MPs scrambled to contain the damage, high-profile figures began openly criticising Starmer. Some even hinted at a looming leadership challenge if he refused to step down. The question now is, how much longer can Starmer hold on?